it's me, your friendly neighborhood eagle, or maybe a slightly lost pigeon, who knows. But one thing's for sure, I'm flying over one of the most jaw-dropping volcano-popping places on Earth, Kamchatka Peninsula, Russia. Whoa, look at that! That's not just a hill, that's a whole volcano, baby. More than 300 of them down there, just chilling, or grilling, depends on the day. On my left, we've got bubbling hot springs, basically nature's jacuzzi. Humans love to dip in there. Personally, I just warm my feet. And ooh, what's that? Brown bears, lots of them. I'm staying way high up here. They don't fly, but trust me, they run like they've had 3 cups of coffee. Further ahead, endless forests, rivers, and the Pacific Ocean waving back at me like, hey birdie! So buckle up, or well, just hold your breath and enjoy the ride, because Kamchatka from the sky, it's wild, it's weird, and it's absolutely wonderful. If you love seeing the world from above, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. New perspectives, new cities, a new flight every time.